All right, ladies and gentlemen, something that didn't go over too much in the notes, but it's definitely doable with the information I gave to you. It's asking you to find the surface area of the cylinder, and it wants you to give your answers in terms of pi and as a decimal rounded to the nearest tenth. So what does this mean in terms of pi? It means that you leave pi in the equation, right? So if my circle, right, if I'm going to find the area, I have pi r squared, right? And if I want two of those, I'm going to times it by 2. So my formula would be pi r squared, and I would times that by 2, right? So that's going to be part of my equation. So I have two circles within my net, right? So if I drew my net, I would see, right, two circles, bases and top, and then my lateral face right there. Well, my lateral face, right, remember this is 2 pi r because that's the distance around the circle if you laid it all out in height. So this equals 2 pi r times h, okay? Because again, this is the length. If you unrolled, if you cut it like right here and unpeeled this back, right, it would go all the way around the circle, so that's 2 pi r. And so we have our surface area equals 2 pi r times h, right, plus pi r squared times 2, right? And now we just have to start plugging in our numbers here. And so we have 2 times pi times r, which is 3 feet, right, times, probably put parentheses around that, times 2, which is right there, the height, plus pi times 3 squared times 2. Okay, so we're just not going to multiply out pi. So right now we have 6 pi times 2. What does that equal? Well, that equals 12 pi, right? It's not 2 times 6 is 12, right? So pi stays. And then this is 9 pi times 2, so we have 18 pi. And I'm going to bring that up here. So we have 12 pi plus 18 pi. Together, that's 30 pi. That's one of your answers, right? So it wants you to put it in there as 30 pi. And then it says roughly, right? And we'll round to the nearest tenth here. So we'll take 30 and we'll times it by 3.14. And that gives us approximately 94 and 2/10 feet squared, right? So again, your answer in terms of pi, your answer rounded to the nearest tenth. Hope that makes sense.